Good morning, grade 5s. We are going to begin Term 2's work today. I want you to write a new heading in your workbook, Term 2, Unit 10, Whole Numbers. If you don't have your workbook, you can write on a piece of paper, and then when we get back to school, you can paste the paper back into your workbook. Today's date is 16 April 2020, and we're going to begin on page 75 in your textbook. All right, let's begin. What is a number sequence? A number sequence is a list of numbers that are in order. In Term 1, I taught you that you get patterns with a constant difference and you get patterns with a constant ratio. Today, we're only going to deal with patterns with a constant difference. The example I've given you of a pattern with a constant difference is 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, and 25. This sequence has a difference of 3 between each number. The pattern is continued by adding 3 to the last number each time. So if we begin with the number 1 and we add 3, we get 4. If we add 3 to 4, we get 7. If we add 3 to 7, we get 10. If we add 3 to 10, we get 13, and so on. Each time we're adding 3 to the last number. And the value added is called the constant difference. In this case, the constant difference is 3. We're adding 3 each time. The second example I've given you is the sequence 25, 23, 21, 19, 17, 15. The constant difference here is negative 2. The pattern is continued by subtracting 2 each time. So if we begin with the number 25 and we subtract 2, we get 23. If we subtract 2 from 23, we get 21. If we subtract 2 from 21, we get 19, and so on. The pattern is continued by subtracting 2 each time. The constant difference for this sequence is negative 2. Thus, the constant difference could also be a negative number. We are subtracting 2 each time. Work for today. I'd like you to do exercise 1, number 2A and 2B, and exercise 2, number 1A and 1B, on page 75 in your textbook. If you left your textbook in your locker at school, I will be posting the textbook page 75 online. You can access it in Google Classroom, and so you will be able to do the work that I've given you for today. Grade 5s, if you have any questions or any comments, please post these online and I will be happy to assist you in any way that I can.